Homeowners today are looking for window solutions that offer durability, ease of use, and minimal upkeep. Casement windows have become a popular choice because of their practical design and long-term performance. In Layton neighborhoods, low-maintenance casement window designs are especially appealing to homeowners who want reliable functionality without constant maintenance. Why casement windows are a low-maintenance option? Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward using a simple crank mechanism. This design allows the window to close tightly against the frame, creating a strong seal. Fewer moving parts and a secure closure mean less wear and tear over time. For Layton homeowners, this translates into windows that require fewer repairs and adjustments compared to other window styles. Durable frame materials that last. One of the key reasons casement windows are easy to maintain is the materials used in their construction. Vinyl and composite frames are especially popular in Layton because they resist moisture, warping, and cracking. These materials do not require painting or staining and maintain their appearance for years. Homeowners appreciate frame options that withstand seasonal changes without ongoing upkeep. Easy cleaning and accessibility. Casement windows are designed to open fully, making both the interior and exterior glass easy to clean from inside the home. This feature is especially helpful for multi-story homes or hard-to-reach areas. In Layton neighborhoods, homeowners value this convenience, as it eliminates the need for ladders or professional cleaning services. Energy efficiency that supports low maintenance. A tight seal is one of the defining features of casement windows. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, minimizing air leaks. This design helps maintain indoor temperatures and reduces strain on heating and cooling systems. For Layton homeowners, energy-efficient casement windows help lower utility costs while requiring minimal attention to perform effectively. Simple hardware with long-term reliability. Modern casement windows feature durable hardware designed for smooth operation. High-quality crank systems and hinges are built to withstand frequent use without loosening or breaking. This reliability is a major reason casement windows remain a favorite in Layton neighborhoods, as homeowners can enjoy consistent performance without constant adjustments. Modern designs that stay looking new. Low-maintenance casement windows are available in a variety of modern styles that resist fading and wear. Advanced finishes protect frames from sun exposure and environmental damage, keeping windows looking new with minimal cleaning. Layton homeowners often choose neutral colors and sleek designs that complement both traditional and contemporary homes. Improved ventilation with minimal effort. Casement windows provide excellent ventilation by opening fully and directing fresh air into the home. This helps improve indoor air quality while maintaining comfort. In Layton, homeowners appreciate the ability to enjoy fresh air without sacrificing ease of use or maintenance. Long-term value for Layton homes. Low-maintenance casement window designs offer a balance of durability, energy efficiency, and convenience. Their lasting performance reduces the need for repairs and upkeep, making them a smart investment. For Layton homeowners, casement windows deliver reliable comfort, modern style, and peace of mind, making them a popular and practical choice across neighborhoods.